Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Peace. In today's video, we'll be making a beautiful, stylish, plain and pattern dress. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll be combining these two English fabrics together. This is a crepe fabric with an English design. So whichever way you want to use it, if you want to combine with African fabric, is okay. So guys, let's get started. I'll be cutting this as my main dress, and this will serve as the sleeve and the down part of the dress. Now I'll fold this fabric in a bias form like so. Now the length is 54 inches minus 17 inches will be the design part. So you minus 17 inches from 54, it will give you 37 inches. So I'll measure out 37 inches. Now the shoulder is 16 inches divided into 2 will give me 8 inches plus half an inch seam allowance. Then from the shoulder I'll mark 9 inches for the armhole. I'll as well mark 8.5 down. I'll join the line to have a straight line to the shoulder side. Now I'll mark 17 inches for my waistline and 25 inches for my hips. Then under the armhole, I'll take my measurement. The bust measurement is 44 inches divided into 4 will give me 11 inches plus extra 1.5 inches. Then at the waistline, the waist measurement is 42 inches divided into 4. It will give me 10.5 inches plus 1.5 inches allowance. Then we don't need the hip measurement. From there, I'll take it down to the hemline. So the folding depends on how full you want it to be. For the folding, you can make 20 inches, 15 inches, depending on how full the flare you want it to be. Then from the neckline, I'll mark 3.5 inches, then 1 inch shoulder slant. Then I'll join it together with 3.5 inches. Then the neck depth for the front is 5 inches. And it's a circled neckline. Then the remaining inches left is 8 inches divided into 2 will give me 4 inches. Then from the 4 inches you come in by half an inch, then cover the armhole. At this point I'll cut it out. I'm cutting only the front. I'll place it on another fabric to cut out the back. Then I'll place it on another fabric using my pin to secure it. Then I'll go ahead and cut out the second pieces. I cut the back pieces separately in two pieces because I'm trying to manage my fabric. I didn't cut the two pieces together, I cut it one after the other. Now for the neckline, I've put together both the front and the two back pieces. For the neckline, I'll mark 4 inches for the front and 5 inches because of extra 1 inch for the zipper. The front, I mark 4 inches while the back is 5 inches. I use 1 inch as my zip allowance. Now the front will have 5 inches depth while the back will be 2 inches. So this is for the back neckline and this is for the front neckline. Now this is the main body, I've cut it out. The next thing will be the down part and the sleeve. Now this will be the down part and the sleeve as well. I'll go ahead and fold it into two. I'm having just a yard of this fabric. This 1 yard. I'll go ahead and divide it into 2 equal parts. Then I'll go ahead and cut it. After using my pin to secure it, I'll go ahead and divide it into 2. Now after dividing it, I'll go ahead and divide this one as well into 2. I will join this side to the other one. Now I will join this to the other one for the down part. Then for the sleeve, the length of the sleeve is 13 inches, including the allowance. Now the round sleeve is 16 inches divided into 2 will give me 8 inches plus 1 inch. So this is 9 inches here is okay. Then for this side is 12 inches divided into 2 will give me 6 inches plus extra 1 inch, that is 7 inches. Then I'll remove 3.5 inches here. From this point, I will join the lines together. I will put a notch at the shoulder line. So this for the sleeve. So guys, we are actually done with the cutting. I have the sleeve, the body of the dress, and the down part. It will be either plain, you can as well gather it depending on how you want it. But the first thing is to join these two edges together to make it longer. Now let's go over to the sewing aspect. The first thing is to join this together. After joining, you hem the down part, you fold it in like so. You can see, you keep it aside. Then the sleeve, you have to fold this one as well with 1 inch. You can see, I'll fold the two sleeves and the down part before we can now join this together. So for the main body of the dress, just first attach the zipper, get a matching zipper for it. You can as well start joining the shoulder line first before the zipper, whichever way you want. Just make sure you do it very neatly. For the main body, this is the front while this is the back. You can as well place both the front and the back pieces together. The neckline and the other side as well. Now you can see I'll first go ahead and join the shoulder line together. That is, join the shoulder line of both the front and the back pieces. After joining the shoulder and the back pieces, so I'll go ahead and join the sleeves like so. That is, after joining the shoulder line with half an inch, I'll go ahead and join the sleeve, the two sleeves. I'll attach the two sleeves, both the left and the right sleeve. After attaching it, the next thing will be the zipper. You can as well close it up before the zipper, but make sure everything, you use your pin to secure it. So now I'll go and sew the neck, the shoulder line, attach my two sleeves. Then I'll show you the next thing I'll do. So guys, I've actually joined it at the shoulder. You can see I joined the shoulder and I went ahead to join the sleeve. These are the two sleeves, and I've closed up the remaining parts, leaving the zipper side. Okay, the next thing to do is to fix the zip, and I turned my neckline with my bias. I used the same material to cut a bias for it. You can see I've turned the neckline. So I'll fix the zip, then I'll close up the two sides with half an inch. After fixing the zip, I'll go ahead and close up the two sides. I will use 1 inch to close it on both sides. From the sleeve side to the down side, I will use 1 inch to close it up. That will be after fixing the zipper. So guys, I've actually attached the zipper, you can see, and I went ahead to close up the two sides. Then I left 1 inch open here. The next thing is to attach the down part. I'm going to print this design on it. I've already folded the down part of the fabric, so I'll go ahead from this place that is open. I'll go ahead and print round the downside, after which I will show you the final picture. And I cut out 2 inches. This is 2 inches for the belt as well. So I'll go to my sewing machine and join the down part, sew the belt as well. Then I'll show you the final picture of how it looks. So guys, after sewing, this is how it looks. This is the back. It has a zipper. And this is the front. You can see the design. You can actually wear it like this, or you can as well put on the belt. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and bye until I see my next video.